myself, it's starting to get hot out here.
Already, right?
Yeah, and today is really heating up efficiently. We talk a lot about how it hasn't been as humid, but believe it or not, our humidity actually keeps us cooler.
Right.
It's harder to heat up humid air, which means, yes, it's drier. It's gonna feel a little bit better in the morning and the evenings, but during the middle of the day, we're actually cooking very efficiently. A live look from the Houston Zoo where you can see a lot of the giraffes kind of going off towards the shade, and you can't blame them. It is certainly a warm start to this day. Temperatures right now already sitting in the lower to mid 80s. Right now, 84 degrees out in Pearland, 82 for our friends up in Huntsville. Dew points, the measure of moisture in our atmosphere, upper 50s and lower 60s. On a really humid day, these are going to be in the mid 70s. So this is relatively comfortable out there when it comes to humidity values. However, it's the same reason why temperatures are going to be able to warm up as we go through the day. By 2 o'clock, 86 degrees, 88 by 3, pushing 90 as we head through the afternoon. Now that lower humidity field, that's not just going to be with us today, it'll be with us tomorrow as well, but certainly as we approach the weekend, we're going to start to feel a bit stickier. By Saturday and Sunday, a much more typical Houston muggy feel. Forecast high temperature is going to be in the upper 80s and lower 90s. You'll notice through the weekend, upper 80s, but it's not going to feel better than the 90s. With the return of humidity, we're going to be dealing with a heat index factor, which means it could be feeling closer to the mid 90s. The reason why we're so hot is because of a high pressure system. This high pressure, it acts like a dome. It sits in the upper atmosphere and it leads to sinking air. Think about it like a tire pressure. When you're compressing air, that heats it up, and that's exactly what's happening here in Houston. Now, eventually that high pressure is going to push off to the east, and that's going to allow the humidity to return, but as we go into the mid and late May, we are expected to stay well above average. Not just us here in Houston, but the entire East Coast. Rain chances are going to start to return as we get towards the weekend. You'll notice Sunday, a 20% chance increasing into next week. That's as that humidity really starts to come back. But until then, I would still make weekend plans. In fact, pool party planner, I haven't used this one in a while, but you can expect to see it for at least the next 4 months. Temperatures upper 80s to near 90, really lovely pool weather